So React Native is out, and a lot of modules are also coming in, like React Native Router, which is pretty cool. So let's see how we can use React Native Router to make something like this. Not this, but this, where you can search. So right now the tutorial does not contain how you can pass on the information from the root component to the icons to the search and to the main component. So this is a problem I faced. So let's get on to the coding. So first thing is first, I'm gonna create a new application, demo app, and yeah, blah blah blah, whatever. So it's building, and cool. So this has given us the path where it is, and now I can just go in and open it up. Oops, sorry. Something like this. So here we have the demo app with React Native 0.6, I guess. Yeah. So this is one of the latest stable version that is available right now. 0.7 is also available, but it's in a release candidate. So wait for it to build, and till then I'll just open up the code over here. Yeah, hang wires. That's me. Actually, WebStorm is pretty nice. I have the pro version, but yeah, it's pretty good doing a lot of stuff with React. So we have all the stuff going on now. Okay. So let's switch to JS Harmony, and it'll be good. Alright guys, this is the starting page of the app. Obviously no one cares to see that. So to get everything rolling, we need to go into cd dot, and I need to install, actually hold on. So I told you that this is a great library, React Native Router, but I made a fork to it and added few more things, which is I think pretty cool. So might want to go and check that out. So it has a replace method, some extra features while like hiding the router when you're going from one route to the other, instead of setting it globally to none. Well, so I'm gonna be using this, which I can easily go and copy paste from my other projects. I just don't like to type everything. So here we are. So, oh yeah, React Native Dev Models is a wrapper written by me. The reason I'm gonna use it, and actually everyone should use it, is because it has event emitters. And what event emitters will do, you're gonna see it right now in just general. You can make your app without event emitters, but in your whole application you have nowhere to put your global state. But this will help you do that. Modal, I don't need a modal right now, so go ahead. Just gonna go to npm install, wait for it. Yep, everything's there. So let's start working. I like to create one sweet little folder over here called app, and in the app I do like to keep my dv.js file. So I can just say var Aaron db React Native db model models is equal to require, and my React Native db models. That's it, guys. And now I can say var db is equal to make a JSON kind of structure and just set something over here. Let's say we're making a search thing, so let's make search query, and to initialize this you just have to do new rndb model, actually just model. I like to keep things singular, not plural, because it's gives a general idea of how you're gonna do it later on, which is pretty helpful. So this will initialize our db dot, oh, that's it, module dot exports db. So yeah, this will initialize our db when we are using anything, even importing this. So let's go ahead and create one more thing, file for your search page.js, search page, we go to RCP. Yeah, I have this custom thing, custom snippet. So tools.exports is equal to search page. Cool. So now we have our search page in line and everything working fine. Now we can just include this thing over there. Sorry, I just like to sing sometimes. Yeah. So we do need style sheet view, and we don't need app registry over here. So in my other apps, what I do, I have a global variable for each and everything, so I don't have to write these things. I really want to make that over here, but it's gonna take some time. So I can just copy paste either. Let's do that. After all, programmers are copy pasters. So my globals will come over here, and boom. So this is my baby doing everything. Lodash, my database. I just need to guide it properly. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the DB events I was talking about. I'll show you how it will work now. We don't need this, we need router. We don't have this, we don't have this, but we need this. We also don't have this. Sorry guys. A lot of stuff that we don't have. And I don't want you to have this either. So yeah, we're good. If there's any error, it's gonna tell us, so pray for it. Now what we want to do is have the React router component. Before that, I want to call my globals. Globals is equal to require app slash globals dot load. Cool. So now we have everything working over here, but we need to set up the router so that it can go to that particular page and do whatever we ask it to do. So in the demo app, we're gonna just simply do router first route is equal to, so first route, we're gonna define the first route really soon. So var search page is equal to require app search. Come on, baby. Yeah. So our first route can be defined as our first route is equal to, we define the name of the component, not the component, but the route that we want. Let's say we say search, which we won't be showing soon enough, and then we want to say component search page. So far so good. Let's see how it works. La 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 la. I think I'm good to go. Crash and burn, baby, crash and burn. Okay, so some need requirements. I need to restart this packager, and then we are good to go. So you can face such problems where the app registry says that you're requiring modules which are useless or which are not there in your app. So all you need to do is do this, restart the packager. So basically I like to restart the whole thing from scratch, because you never know what packages are missing from the iOS side, Objective-C side, and from the node. So what we want over here is a search bar, and we want to show whatever we write in the search bar in this area. So basically I had to pause and go somewhere, and while I was doing it, I went into the flow and kept on coding. So anyways, I'm just going to walk you through what kind of changes I made. So as far as I remember, the last time we had this, we didn't have home, we had a search page. So instead I just made one more page called home, exactly same, nothing different. So now when we go to the first route, we go to the home page, and over here, if you can see, I set the right corner to be a component, which is right corner, which I just created, which says search. Go to search, which takes you to go to search, and go to search method basically takes you to a new route. So you can see what props you need to send to the to route and the other first routes on the React Native router GitHub page. The instructions are there very clearly, not a big deal. So I don't think there's going to be any problem. If there is, just shoot me a message and I'll help you right away. So if you see right now, we have a search page, search bar, and the right corner is utilizing them to go to a new route. So let's see how it looks like. Oops, sorry. There it is. So this is how it looks like now. So this is the main index router, which is routing to the home page with the title as home. So you could change anything. Let's say main, so it becomes main. So you see what I want to show you. So in the right corner we have this search. We could say find, and it becomes find. You can give some stylings to it, like style equal to margin right. I want 20. Yeah, it's fine. So we get it over here, find. Voila. So you get the search thingy over here. Oh, so my code wasn't complete. Okay, I get it. Fine. Let's get on with the code. So as you have seen, when we come over here, we see the search bar taking the component, search bar component taking the header place. That's what we are telling this route to do. Title component to be search bar, and search bar is nothing but just a simple text input. See, I committed all these lines of code. I knew these were important. Okay, so look at this code now again. So we have a text input, we gave some style, and on change text I'm gonna call save text method, which is gonna uh, do the update in the database for whatever search that we want to do. So let's go and see how we do that. So let's say your main component, which is rendering the router, is anything. Mine is index, and this line is component mount, and where's the okay. So what I did in component mount, so this is what I was talking about. So this is React Native DB models. So if you want to see, I can write the same code with you over here. I'll walk you through the code as well. So what I want to do is create a table inside the database model, which will have the query in it inside it. And whenever we make a change into that query, we want to know it in the whole app, like where the change was and what change was it. So for that we have database emitters, and to use those DB emitters, what we need to do is very simple. So we need to re-render the app, and this is something one of my good friend helped me out with. So let's say we have so we are going to register this app once, and every time whenever the database emits a change which is only write only changes, then the app will re-render itself. Re-render does not mean restart. Re-render means the data flow and the state, they remain the same. It only tells you that there has been a data change. You'll understand like this. So I'm gonna create a function that's gonna refresh the app all the time, not all the time, like whenever we need it to. And to do that, we can have console.log re-render and just paste this. And so you remember that we did this somewhere where globals. So we have our DB events emitter set over here. Well, all we need to do is set DB events dot once. We don't want it to keep on spamming and re-rendering the app. So the emitter call is all, just like backbone models, and set a callback. And in the callback, you could just say refresh app. That's it, guys. So it will re-render the app every time there's a data write in the database. So the state of your application will remain same, but the data inside data being used from your database anywhere will be changed. So let's walk you through this. So we need to have our db.searchQuery.get. So I want to check if I have any query, any table related to that. So in this, so basically it's a JSON structure, and I want to know if this search, which is a company or Twitter tweet search, we can, let me change it to tweets. Oops, yeah, I forgot that. So I'm gonna get something from here. So get all is a call to get everything out of this database. I want to check if we have that. If we have that, then fine, then go ahead. If we don't, then create a new actor for searching the tweets. So this is gonna be looking like this actor. Uh, so this is totally up to me what database and what kind of data structure I'm using, and you guys can decide by yourself what you want to use. So basically my structure is gonna be somewhat like search query is the table which will have a set of JSONs. So this JSON will have a query text and an actor which will tell me what it is it for, like tweets. Now I can, my screen just went off. I can have the stream structure query actor, and I can know it's of users. So I can use multiple search query patterns, use it anywhere I like. So that's why I'm using this structure, but you guys can use your own ways, whatever you want to. Okay, so let's go ahead. So when I get this, I want to check if we have only one row or not, because I'm checking actor tweet and I want only one row over here. So if data, oh sorry, what the hell am I doing? Get all will get everything. I just want to get this particular thing. So let's see. If data means that we have something, then we're good, we're fine. But if we do not have a data, then we're gonna say, yeah guys, so before I do that, I want to show you how this data is gonna look like. So let's go ahead and do console log query table is equal to data. So I haven't set up the debug over here. Let's say debug in Chrome. Please do it. Runtime is not ready, so we do have a debugger running somewhere. Awesome. Okay, so query table is empty. So you could just say if data equal empty, then well, you can check this through Lodash, but I haven't required that library yet, but we can later on. So let's go ahead with the flow. Now, if it is not there, then we want to add it. db dot search query dot add. So we want to add the schema inside where query is nothing and actor, oops, sorry guys, actor will be the tweet. Remember that we are searching through this particular object. We need to have the same exact key value structure inside this. So every database operation has callback. So if you want to see what data has been added, you could just go over here, console.log, added data is data. Yeah. So this will add the data to it, only if it is empty. Otherwise, it's gonna run smooth, no problem. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, somehow it didn't go through this thing. What if I do month, which says 1, and I lost my window? Really? Really? Wow. Oh man, what's happening? Alright, nice. So we added it. Okay. You guys didn't see the added statement, but it was there. If you want me to show you again, I can. So this way I'll show you one more functionality. db dot search query dot raise db. That's it, buddy. And you do that, and your database is erased. It's empty, it's null, it's nada, nothing. And now when you do this, see, added data. It added the data to the table again. And now if you do it again, it won't, because it's already there. So you know this, and now we're good to go. We check this, we do this, first route. Now we go to the search bar. So the search bar thing that I just killed right now. So I'm gonna do a save text thing. So whenever there's a change of text, I'm gonna save it into database. So you don't have to worry. It's not like a remote database. It's kind of like async storage inside. And since we are not worried about the callbacks or anything, it's just let it happen. So it's good enough. So over here we're gonna say tweets or tweets maybe. I forgot. Let me check. So tweet. No. So we have this because when we want to move out of this page, I also want to have blank query so that the next time it's not there. Now the chance of the search page. So in the search page, now I want to do is have let's say I'm not sure if this works. Component did mount function, because on re-rendering it's not remounting the component. What's the harm? So I always like to give this context to a local variable so that I can use it inside of any callbacks that I'm running into to update my states or play with it. Simple. And I want to have a state over here which says query, which is set to empty at first, and I want to do db dot search query dot get the same thing, and this is the tweet. So I want to search the actor for tweet. String tweet, and this will give me a callback function data. So you have seen the data, how it looks like. So where query data is equal to data 0, and from query data what we want to do is me.set state, and go forward to sorry, query dot query, and I think query, yeah, thing. Yeah, query. Okay, on the search page, this is good, looks good, and let's test me.state.query. So there's, I'm not 100% sure, but I do want to give it a try and see what the error comes. What kind of error, actually. Wow, wow, so stupid of me, so stupid of me. Okay, find, and okay, first of all, I'm writing something over there which is not being seen because of the font color is being white, but it's not even being written over here, so there's a problem. There's a problem. Mayday, mayday, there's a problem. But it does re-render the stuff, so let's see. And go to the search bar, fix that white color, let's say 000. Okay, find, and I hate my life. Still not working. Okay, I need to check what the heck I'm doing wrong over here. I don't even know where I have written that code. Yeah, it's pretty dead simple as it is. That's it. Data 0, query, fine. Yeah, you want to fight, go ahead. Component mount, db search query dot get actor tweet function data query. Oh, wow. Ah, guys, I know you might be shouting over there. I know. I made a boo boo. Hey, this works. No, no, no. But oh yeah, this works. So now what you can do is search something over here and in real time have a list view over here and compute your data easily. Whatever you want to do, it's that simple. Search, done. And all of this code can be found on my GitHub page. My handle is docrishup. So just go up to Facebook, Twitter, anything. That's my handle everywhere. Even my email ID. If you want to email me, docrishup@gmail.com. And do visit my blog, hangvirus.wallhood.com. Well, it's kind of in a starting phase. Anyways, hope you had fun programming with me. There are still numerous UI things, UI changes, and stuff that can be corrected. So I'll leave it up to you. Make a fork, make a pull request, make whatever you want to from this repo, and update it. Keep doing the good work, guys. All right, have fun.